In this video, I show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Before we get any further, I want to make it clear that the steps in this guide are going to work on both iOS and Android and pretty much any type of device. As long as you've got Snapchat on it, it's going to work absolutely fine. So of course, as you probably know, when you've gone and got a public profile, when you go and post snaps, things like that, they're going to go and appear in the Snapchat Discover page. So it's really great for trying to build a brand and just get your stories to more people. So the first thing you want to do is quickly go and post a snap to your story. So I'm just going to go and take a snap and post it onto my story just like so. Then the next thing you want to go and do is go to your Snapchat profile. So you can do that by tapping on your Bitmoji or your story in the top left of Snapchat on pretty much either of these pages actually. I'm just going to tap on it just like so. And then here we are on our profile. Now if we go and scroll down, as you can see, we can go and see our story just here. Now, if you go and click on the three dots on your My Stories, just like so, you may go and have an option here to go and create a public profile or a public story. If you don't worry, just scroll down a bit further. And as you can see, we've got this option here to go and create our public profile. So then you can go and tap on this just like so, and we can go and continue the setup, which I'm going to go and show in just a moment. But if you aren't getting this option here, then what I recommend doing is making sure you've got the most up-to-date version of Snapchat. Just go and log in and out of your account as well. So sign out of Snapchat and sign back in. Hopefully that'll make it appear. And alternatively, try it on a different account or even a different device as well. So there's a few different fixes you can try to go and get that option appear. So yeah, try them all and see if that works. So let's go and continue with this. So go and tap on create public profile. As you can see, we can go and show your name and build your public profile. So let's click get started. As you can see, we need to go and agree to go and create this just like so. And yeah, here we go. And there we go. Now we've done it. But you want to go and customize it. So then all you want to do is tap on my public profile and you can go and add a cover photo. Of course, I should probably add a profile picture as well. And I can also go and edit my profile as well. So let's tap edit profile. I could then go and add a picture. I can go and add a bio, I can go and set my location, and I can go and show my subscriber account if I'd like as well. So it's definitely worth going and adding all of that type of stuff. So I can go and add YouTuber. And then once you've added some information, you can go and tap on preview profile, and then you can go and see what it looks like. So I ought to add a profile picture and like a banner as well. So there we go, guys. That's literally it. And then you can go and start growing your brand on Snapchat. And if you want to go and delete it, then all you need to do is tap on those three dots in the top right. And then as you can see, we can go and delete your public profile as well. You can also go and edit it up here as well. A few more options. So click delete public profile, delete once again, and then it's going to go and delete it. And it's that easy. And we've now just got a standard Snapchat profile again. So if you found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.